Is XRP about to set a new record? You might have noticed something out of the ordinary with Ripple's XRP if you've been keeping up with the cryptocurrency market. Investors, experts, and crypto aficionados have all taken notice of the cryptocurrency's consistent growth. Is the $60,000 mark really within the realm of possibility? As XRP continues to gain traction, the big issue everyone is asking is if it will reach new heights never before witnessed given its history of extreme volatility and price swings. An exciting new digital asset is generating a lot of buzz, and the anticipation is only growing. XRP has proven time and time again that it can shock the market. What makes this one different? This time, experts are predicting that XRP's surge to $60,000 isn't just a pipe dream. It might very well be in the cards due to the industry's rapid evolution and XRP's favorable position to capitalize on the new wave of investment and adoption. Everything that could trigger such a massive upsurge is already in place. An expanding web of collaborations and rising institutional involvement. It is clear from the data and the opinions of the experts that XRP has only just begun its ascent to new heights. Is this it, the time when XRP reaches its maximum potential and reaches heights no one has ever imagined? Maybe XRP's ascent is bound to continue indefinitely if that doesn't happen. Giving attention, this might be the start of something monumental, so pay attention. Ripple and its token XRP have always been unique among digital currencies. In contrast to Ethereum and Bitcoin, which mostly focus on decentralization and smart contracts, the revolution of international money transfers has always been Ripple's principal goal. The Ripple Group, one of the major issues with conventional banking, the inefficiency, high costs, and lengthy processing times of international money transfers, led to the creation of XRP. With its decentralized network, XRP makes international money transfers easier, faster, and safer for everyone. Part of XRP's allure is that it offers an alternative to traditional methods of real-time settlement, methods in banking that cut out intermediaries. Ripple has been so successful because of its collaborations with major financial institutions and payment processors. Many worldwide banks have used Ripple's technology to speed up cross-border transactions. Some even use XRP as a medium of exchange. With Ripple's network being used so extensively, XRP a leg up in the cryptocurrency market that traditional banks and other financial organizations haven't used just yet. The growing importance of Ripple in global finance might have a major impact on the currency's future value. As XRP finds more practical uses, its demand grows, which might cause its price to rise. Ripple is committed to improving financial systems, which is why it's the digital currency market leader experiencing consistent growth and adoption. More than just a digital asset, XRP aims to construct a worldwide financial infrastructure that benefits everyone, from huge organizations to people seeking quicker and cheaper methods to transact, with the potential to disrupt traditional banking systems and redefine our concept of money. The sudden increase in XRP's value over the past several months has surprised many observers and investors. The value of XRP might rise sharply as Ripple's reach grows, particularly if more banks start using it for regular transactions. Worldwide interest in the formerly unheralded cryptocurrency is on the rise. Several internal and external variables to Ripple's network have contributed to this dramatic surge, but the most crucial is the fact that Ripple has witnessed an uptick in institutional interest, with numerous major financial players getting involved. The outcome is a surge in XRP demand, which has driven its price higher. The coin's price has gone up, and it's attracting more and more interest from regular investors who are looking for profitable alternatives to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Fast transactions, low costs, and a growing number of practical applications have made XRP a popular choice. The ongoing legal conflicts that have significantly contributed to the growth of XRP, The market's perception of Ripple and XRP has been greatly enhanced by Ripple's recent triumphs, notwithstanding the difficulty of these battles. The protracted legal struggle between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has been successfully resolved, which has boosted investor confidence. As a result, the price of XRP has reached all-time highs, and Ripple is continuing to win important contracts. Conflicts and clarify its regulatory status, more individual and institutional investors are likely to join the market, driving up prices even further. But the legal challenges aren't the only ones. The value of Ripple's cryptocurrency, XRP, has risen in tandem with the company's network development efforts and the increasing number of relationships it has formed with global financial institutions. With its ability to forge partnerships with major corporations and governments, Ripple is proving that XRP is in high demand as a bridge currency for international transaction. This development could revolutionize global finance. The current upward trend in XRP prices is not going anywhere, considerably more impervious. So how exactly is XRP worth $660,000? Let's have a look at what could be causing this tremendous surge. More than just a cryptocurrency, XRP has become an all-inclusive financial solution. The rapid scalability and low cost of Ripple's network make it ideal for usage by banks and payment processors around the world. Consider, if more institutions and corporations start using Ripple for cross-border transactions, the demand for XRP will skyrocket, which will exert upward pressure on its price. This is assuming that Ripple becomes the dominant platform for international payments. With more and more suppliers using Ripple's technology, the demand for XRP is only going to increase. At this time, XRP's continued integration into global financial systems is still possible. There are current agreements between Ripple and banks and payment providers, but as these partnerships increase, XRP use will also grow. With more and more major financial institutions committing to Ripple and the company solidifying its position as an integral part of global payment systems, the value of XRP will rise. On a global scale, applications are what drive demand. As market confidence in XRP grows, it will be a formidable rival for a significant price hike. The decisions of the courts Ripple has finally arrived at a turning point in the XRP story, after years of regulatory limbo. With the help of authorities, Ripple has come a long way in clarifying its position, and it has achieved success in more institutional investors would pour money into Ripple as a result of its legal challenges, since companies shun assets with regulatory risk. After these problems are fixed, XRP will be seen as a reliable financial asset, which will attract more investors. With the increasing global acceptance of cryptocurrencies, with its robust financial infrastructure, Ripple is poised to take advantage of this new trend. With its cutting-edge blockchain technology, Ripple is revolutionizing the banking industry in the SK and offering tremendous efficiency and innovation potential. Taking everything into account, the XRP value cap of $60,000 may not be, as XRP keeps meeting the needs of a world that is growing more digitally linked and integrated, its rise may be inexorable. As unbelievable as it seems, it is important to understand what sets XRP apart from other cryptocurrencies and why it has the potential to reach $60,000 in value before comparing it to Ethereum or Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, has been at the head of the pack for a long time. Market for cryptocurrencies, although it often gets flack for having slow transaction speeds and high fees. But Ethereum's smart content is mostly responsible for its rise to fame.